Some productions are there in a grammar which cannot be used for deriving the sentences. So we need to find out all those productions, those are not useful, and we should eliminate all those. Okay, so this is our task right now. So before getting into that, first of all, we need to know what is the dependency graph. First of all, we will draw a dependency graph. We'll draw a dependency graph. We will find out what are the nodes cannot be connected. So first of all, know what is the dependency graph. So while you are drawing a dependency graph, we are taking all the variables in a grammar as a node. So those will be regarded as the node. And every variable will be connected with a edge having the arrow towards it. Now take an example that is given. S corresponds AB. That means S variable is connected with capital A, capital B. So there will be a edge between S to A and S to B. An arrowhead edge will be towards A and B from S. Again, B corresponds A, capital B. That means B is connected with B. So there will be a self loop. Check it out. C corresponds capital C, A, capital C. That means C is connected with capital C. So this is a self loop. Okay. Then we have E. Also we have D. So D is connected with D itself. D is connected with D itself. But D is not connected with any other variable. But B is connected with C, as B corresponds capital C. Okay. So the dependency graph, actually we are drawing with the variables as nodes. And if a variable is connected with some other variable, there will be a edge between that variable, and there will be the edge with arrowhead. Like S corresponds AB, so from S to AB there will be the arrowhead edge. So that is the procedure how we are drawing the dependency graph. Okay. Now see, if we consider the previous grammar that is given, and if we are drawing the dependency graph, we can see that D is not connected with S directly or indirectly. E is not connected with S directly or indirectly. Means these two variables you cannot use for your sentence derivation, because you cannot derive any sentence starting from start symbol using this D and E. Okay. Now there is an algorithm given how to remove useless production. Check it out. Algorithm given in the group. Check it out. Step 1. find out all variables that cannot be converged into terminals. That means first of all we have to find out the variables that cannot be replaced with the terminal. Remove all productions containing such variables. That means if you have any production containing such variable, that has to be removed. That means those are not the useful productions. Then step 2, draw the dependency graph. Find out those nodes. Find out those nodes find out those nodes that cannot be reached from the start symbol directly or indirectly. What is the meaning of directly and indirectly? You see, if you see the dependency graph of the previous example, C is connected with B, capital B. C is not directly connected with S, but there is a transitive relationship, that is S connecting B, B connecting C. So this is called indirect connection. That means from start symbol S, you can reach to capital C through B. This is called indirect connection. So at least you should have indirect connection in between the variables, so that you can use that variable for derivation. If you don't have any connection, or if we cannot reach to any variable starting from a start symbol, those variables are called useless variable. Those variables are called useless variables. And if any production containing such variables will be removed, any production having such variables will be removed. Why? Because those variable is not connected with start symbol, and while we are going for deriving any sentence, we have to start from the start symbol. If there is no relation between the start symbol or any variable, that means you cannot derive sentence out of that variable. That's why any production having those variables will be removed. Okay. Now an example given. S corresponds capital A, capital B, capital C. Check it out, everybody. And take your copy. Don't just follow this. Do the exercise of your own. S corresponds capital A, capital B, capital C. B corresponds small b, capital B, or B, small b. A corresponds small a, capital A, or small a. C corresponds small c, capital D. D corresponds A, capital E. E corresponds A, comma E. First of all, you draw the dependency graph. You draw the dependency graph and check out what are the variables cannot be reached. Next, you go for the variable cannot be replaced with the terminal. So any such production having those variables will be removed. Okay. Check it out, everybody. If you have any doubt, you tell me. Sneha, can you hear me? Sneha.
So, yes, sir.
So what is the time right now?
So, 12:24.
Then why you are joining right now?
So, I have joined from the beginning. Oh, sir, you might be confused between Sneha Raj. I'm Sneha Chatterjee.
Okay, I'm talking about Sneha Raj.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
sorry, sir.
Yeah. So sorry, I have problem of network, sir.
Okay. So try to get in the class within 5 minutes, na? If
Yes,
you
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
continuing joining the class till the end, then how can you get the thing that is going through in the class?
So
Not
actually, I'm
possible.
trying to connect, but it is not connecting, sir, due to network issue. Then I have.
Anyhow, fix all these issues. You see, fix all these issues because you have to go through the online classes only.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
take the connection which will have the best connection. So we are going through the null production removal. Sorry, useful or useless production removal. Okay. Next, go through the example given. S corresponds A, capital S, capital B, capital C, small a, capital S, or small a, small a. B corresponds small a, capital B, or small a, small b. C corresponds small c, capital C, or small c. D corresponds small a, capital D. E corresponds small a, capital E, or A. Okay. Now, first of all, go through the dependency graph drawing. Go for the dependency graph drawing. What are the nodes? Capital S, capital B, capital C, capital D, and E. S is connected with capital B and capital S and capital C because S corresponds A, capital S, capital B, capital C. So S is connected with all these variables. So there will be a self loop and there will be a connection between S to B, S to C. Right? Then C corresponds C small c. There is a self loop from C to C. That is not given there. So let's draw this. Then D corresponds AD. There is a self loop. E corresponds A capital E. So there will be a self loop E to E. But you see, you don't have any connection between S to D, S to E, directly or indirectly. So any productions containing variable D and E will be removed.
Hello, sir.
So the
Sir,
yes,
there will be any self loop in B?
I'm not repeating. Hello,
Yes,
what
sir.
happened?
Sir, is
Yes,
there
yes,
will be any self loop in B?
there will be a self loop in B. Yes, this is not also given there. Draw a self loop in B. Right. Okay. Now see, the production meant for D and E will be removed. So D corresponds AD and E corresponds AE or A. That has to be removed. So that is done. Okay. Now check. Is there any variable which cannot be replaced with the terminal? S, yes, can be replaced with the terminals because S corresponds small a. B can be replaced by small b. C can be replaced by small c. So all these productions are useful. Okay. Next, take another example. You go through the example given. Next example. S corresponds B, C, D, all capital, or CE. capital E corresponds capital E or small a capital E. Everybody do it on your copy. Just don't go by the documents given. Do of your own. Write the productions and draw the dependency graph. Here you have the variables S, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F. S is connected with B, C, D, E directly. S is connected with B, C, D, E. E will have the self. F will have the self loop. So if you go through the dependency graph, you will see that only F is not connected with the start symbol directly or indirectly. So remove the production mean for F. That is F corresponds small a and or small a F. That has to be removed. Now, after removing this, the resultant production set you are getting, in that you check all the variables which cannot be replaced with the terminal. S is depending with B, C, D. B can be replaced, D can be replaced, C can be replaced. But S corresponds CE. C can be replaced, but E can be replaced or not? You check it out. E cannot be replaced because E corresponds capital E or AE. Okay. So the production which containing capital E will be removed. So all the production meant for E and S corresponds CE will be removed. Will be removed. Okay. Next. So after removal of all those useless productions, what's the resultant production you got? S corresponds BCD, C corresponds small c, capital C or small c, D corresponds small d, B corresponds small b. Done? Up to this, anybody having any question, you tell me. Anybody having any question, tell me. No. So should I move? Should I move?
Yes, sir.
Next, give a heading: null production and nullable variables. Null production and nullable variables. Null production and nullable variables. Who is this? Making some noise? Pradyum Mohta. Are you getting any problem? Connectivity problem? So give a heading. Pradyum, if you have any problem in your mic, then just fix it up or you just stay muted right now. Okay, you just follow me. If you have any doubt, you just write a message. Okay. Now give a heading: null production and nullable variables. Already I have dropped a snap on your group. Check it out. Null production and nullable variables. Go through that snap. Go through that snap. Null production and nullable variables. The production of the form A corresponds lambda, where A belongs to V, is called as null production. A variable B is said to be nullable variable if and only if. Now, example given, see, S corresponds AB, then A corresponds small a capital A, or B corresponds capital C small a, and C corresponds null. So if we are going by the definition of the null production, only the C corresponds null is the null production. But all other variables, you see, B corresponds C, C corresponds null. So B is also deriving null. So B is also nullable variable. Again, A corresponds B, B corresponds C, C corresponds null. So A is deriving null. So A is also nullable variable. Next, C corresponds null, B corresponds C corresponds null, A corresponds B, B corresponds C, C corresponds null. Again, A corresponds AB. So A is also null, B is also null. So S is also nullable variable. So that is the process how you are finding out the nullable variables. Nullable variables. Now I am sending another snap. Just go through it, everybody. Okay. What we have to do, we will remove all the null productions. We will remove all the null productions. Step 1, find out all nullable variables. Go by the snap, everybody. Okay. Remove null production. Step 1, find out all nullable variables. How to find nullable variables I have shown. Like C corresponds null, so C is nullable variable. Again, B corresponds C, C corresponds null. So B derives null, B is also a nullable variable. Okay. A corresponds B, B corresponds C, C corresponds null. So A is also deriving null. So A is also a nullable variable. So in that way, you have to find out all the nullable variables. Then step 2. This is very important. Step 2 is very important. Everybody, be careful. Replace all nullable variables by lambda. Underline. In all possible combinations. In all possible combinations. Replace all nullable variables by lambda. In all possible combinations. At the right of any production. And add the new production to the previous production set without null production. That means, first of all, we need to derive the nullable variables. Nullable variables. Then we need to replace all the nullable variables on the right side of any production in all possible combination. And the new production we will be getting, that has to be added to the previous production set. Previous production set. Now an example given. Check, everybody. The first example. S corresponds capital A, small a, capital B, capital C. A corresponds capital B, small a, capital A. B corresponds small c, capital C, or small a, B, capital B, or small a. C corresponds A, capital C, or lambda. So this is the production set given. What we will be doing, we will be removing the null production. We will be removing the null production. Ashish or Abhilash? Not Ashish, Abhilash. Can you hear me? Abhilash. Abhilash, can you hear me? So what is the problem with you? It's already 12:41. You are joining class right now. What happened?
Sir, we could not hear you
Null.
for the first minute or so. I think your internet connection is poor, sir.
Who is this? Who is this?
Sir,
I think those problem having the network issues. See, listen to me. Those having the network issues, please fix it up. This is an online class. If you don't have the good connectivity, then you will be in trouble.
sir, my
Many of you
connectivity
are
is good,
having
sir.
the same.
I think it's a problem from your end because most of us are having this problem. So it cannot be us, nah. It has to be problem from your end in that case.
So I have the connection here. That is uninterrupted connection. There is no problem in the connection side. Can't you hear me?
Just sometimes in between your voice just vanishes.
Yes, sir. Your voice cracks a bit in a while.
And this is happening like every now and then. Your voice just gets
Yes,
muted for no reason. So I think it's
there's
a
a connection issue from your side only.
No, I don't have the connection problem. I have the connection that is a very premier type connection. That won't happen. Anyhow, there may be some sound problem as well. Okay, now you can hear me clearly. Can you hear me clearly? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it okay right now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, the example that is given, just go through the example, everybody. First of all, we will find out the nullable variables. So the given example have only the nullable variable, that is C. C derives null. C derives null. Only the nullable variable we have. Okay. Next. So first of all, our duty is to find out the nullable variables. So you have only one nullable variable, that is C. Now what is the second step? We need to replace capital C by null, the right hand side of the production, in all possible combination. So initially you see S corresponds capital A, capital small a, capital B, and C will be replaced with null. So you have got a new production, that is A, capital A, small a, capital B. So this is a new production. Now take A production. There is no C variable in A production, so leave it. Then go for B production. In B production, if you see, you will see that B corresponds small c, capital C, capital C. Here you have double capital C's, and we need to replace all these. Capital C in all possible combination is B corresponds, first of all you replace only one C. So you are getting a new production, B corresponds small c, capital C. This is a new production. Now you can replace both C. So you are getting B corresponds small c only. So this is also new production. Okay. Now you have another production, C corresponds small a capital C. So you have capital C there as well. So we have to replace this capital C with lambda. So you are getting a new production. C corresponds small a. Now what we have to do? We have to add all the new productions we got in the to the previous production set given. Just leaving the null productions. So what was the previous production? S corresponds capital A, small a, capital B, capital C. Or new production you got for that S, A, capital A, small a, capital B. Next for A, you don't have any C, you replaced. Now for B, you had C, capital C, or A, B, then A, small a. Then you got two new productions for B, small c, capital C, or small c. Then for C, you had capital C corresponds small a, capital C, and the new production you got small a, C corresponds small a, and you removed C corresponds null because this is a null production. So you have to remove that one. So up to this, anybody having any problem, you tell me. If you have any problem, you tell me right now. Now take another example, everybody. I am giving you the example. Just go to the group, everybody. Go to the group and check the example given. So this is the example. Now you remove the null production. Now you remove the null production. So anybody having any trouble up to this, you just raise your voice. If you don't understand, you can tell me. I'll fix it up. So I am giving you another home task. Do it. So take another example. I'm dropping it to the group. So this is another example. And you have to remove the null production. So up to this, anybody having any problem? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes. Bolo.
the question you gave recently, like
Bolo.
in that C points to AC
C
slash A
corresponds to
slash lambda.
C, not point. C corresponds to.
C corresponds to in
Which
C
example?
and D both have lambda.
Which example? Which one?
You give just
Last
now.
Last one.
Yes.
There is no problem. C derives C corresponds null means C is a nullable null production. D corresponds
And-
null lambda means D is also a null production. So where is the
Yes,
problem? Bolo?
Like we will consider it separately 2 times or just 1 time while
See,
taking out.
we need to find out only the nullable variables. So if you are considering this example, B corresponds C, C corresponds null. So B is also nullable variable, null variable. C corresponds null means nullable variable. D corresponds null means nullable variable. That's it. Anything more?
Sir,
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, everybody respond to your call, roll call. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
Who has got your microphone on? Put it off. Abhinav Kumar. Okay, roll number 1. What is your name?
Sir, Anamitro.
Spelling?
AU
Ni
NO
No. Onomitro.
NO MITRA.
Onomitro Ghosh.
Ghosh. Yes, sir.
GHOSH.
GHOSH. Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 2. Deepak.
Yes, sir.
3. Vishal. Absent. Roll number 4. Roll number 5. Roll number 5. Roll number 6.
Present, sir.
7. Ayush Jha. Roll number 8. Roll number 9. Roll number 10.
Yes, sir.
Sony.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 11.
Yes, sir.
Abhinav.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 12. Anurag. Roll number 13. Kumar Sham. 14. 15. 16, 17,
Yes, sir.
Aryan,
Yes.
18, 19, Abbas,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
20, Akib,
Present, sir.